Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Why do we volunteer? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to let you know. Brian's outside, he's busy washing the camper. This is where we've been living. These units here, they all stay here for the winter. They actually are leased lots. They keep a few spots open for sewers who come and help out at the camp. You can see a whole row of empty ones over here, and there's some empty ones over here. Yeah, you know, we've had really good Wi-Fi here. We can't complain. We actually pick up a few TV channels over the air. It's been really nice. You know, it took us a long time to get from there to here. Here being Nanoose Bay, Pentecostal Camp. Yeah, it was a journey. You know, these were decisions that we made. What are we going to do? What's retirement going to look like? And you know, right now it's looking really pretty good. We get to enjoy this. I mean, it's March 1st. There's no snow on the ground. It's +6, a beautiful sunny day. And I'm sitting here in a chair looking out over the bay. You know, to me, you can't get any better than that. We're working with sewers. We get to volunteer our time a few hours every day, and we get to stay here for that. You know, this time we're doing what's called a Sewer on Assignment project, which is a 3-month-long project. So we've been here since January, and really enjoying it. Yeah, we had some snow. In one area, some friends of ours, they're about a half hour south of here, and they got 2 feet of snow. Well, we got a foot, and I would have to say that probably a couple of days later, it was right down to about 6 inches. And you know, and now look at this, it's green. I love it. I'm so enjoying this. Yeah, I don't know, you know, you get to serve. It's not just working. Yeah, we work. That's part of the serving, is working, but we know we're being useful. That's what we like about this. It's being useful. You know that you're benefiting somebody other than just yourself. You're not working just to put food on the table, or working to pay the bills. You're working to bless somebody else. That kind of means a lot to both of us. You know, Brian, he's just a natural born giver. And Brian has taught me to be a giver. And this is what we're doing. We're giving back. We're giving of our time. We're giving of our talents. I've had a paintbrush in my hand for the last 2 months, and I kind of like it. You know, and Brian, he's done a lot with repair work. He's fixed decks and walls, and right now he and another fellow, they're working on a deep freezer. They had to tear it all apart, and they're putting the walls all back up together again. Yeah, I like this. I like this very much, and this is what we get to do because we serve. Yeah, every day just kind of keeping busy, working. The thing that we came here to do, and you know, we love it. It's a great way to spend our time here. We work a few hours every day, and in exchange we get our site fully for free, and this is our little home again. If you really like what you're hearing and seeing, give us a thumbs up. If you really don't, give us a thumbs down. And if you'd like to see more from us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and, hit that little bell as well to get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy.